So in this video, we're going to be showing you point number 7, which is the SUPRA. This sight sometimes can be a little bit challenging for some people. Obviously, the leaner someone is, the easier it is to measure. So Jade is going to be very, very easy to measure. But again, if you're getting a new client who does have 30 kilos, let's say, to lose, it can be a little bit challenging because your grip does need to be fairly, all of it does need to be fairly firm. So again, same angle as the mid-axe. So it's a direct flow on. You find that hip bone again. Again, very easy to find on Jade. I'm going to point my calipers exactly where her hip bone is. That way I can move my body into position. So see now, my body is in position. I'm just going to go hand above the iliac crest of what, see this is her top of the iliac crest. Now I go hand above at a 45-degree angle. This one is taken on a 45-degree angle as well, same as the mid-axe. So I'm wrapping my hand all around that point there. Now I'm grabbing and I'm pulling away on the sagittal or lateral plane, and I go in and I take the measurement. So that's as easy as that. But again, some key things are you can see Jade's body move. When I apply pressure, I am putting my hand directly into her body, so you can see her swayed on a lateral, and the reason for that is I want to make sure I get a very good grab. Regardless of whether they're lean or they're carrying more weight, you do need to make sure that you're getting a very firm grab. Common mistake that people do on this is they don't open their hands, they grab like this. Well, if you grab like this, you're obviously going to grab a lot less. Your hand needs to be open, it needs to be at that position. You put that there, you take a full grab and get the SUPRA in position there.